Okay, by now, so on this page, back to this page here. Okay, back to our page. Right now, you should have $134 coming your way. So let's go ahead and get the $20 as we mentioned before. So on the third one, this is the third way we pay you. We're going to get you $20 right now. So you're going to click this green banner and you'll click and it'll open up. And what you're going to do is get a NetSpend card. Again, this is another prepaid debit card. Just fill in your name, your address, your zip code, your email, and you don't have to go with direct deposit. You can say not at this time. Most people do that. You could actually pick, um, get a digital, uh, excuse me, a Visa contact debit card if you choose. Um, so you would fill that information out. And what you will do is once you get the card in the mail, it will take anywhere from 5 to 7 business days to come in the mail. Once it comes in, you're going to go ahead and activate it. Now, you can call in the card, the 800 number, or you can go to netspend.com. So if we go to netspend.com, and so you can activate it online as well. So up here in this top button, you can activate your card. Now, once you activate it, you want to sign up. After you've signed up, you'll log in. And and once you've done that, the next thing that you need to do in order to get your $20, and they used to have it here, I'm not seeing it here. Hmm. They used to have it up here. There's a reload center that you can go. You have to load the card. This is your money. You got to load $40 on your NetSpend card, and usually you'd have it down here on the bottom if not. But you got to load $40 on the card. Again, the $40 is your money. It's going on your NetSpend card. Once you load the card with $40, NetSpend's going to give you $20. Now, the load center that's closest to you, usually it's like you can go to the neighborhood center or CVS or something like that. But reload nationwide. So you come down to the bottom and then you find your location right here. You click that button. You're going to enter your zip code. And once you put in your zip code, it will tell you where you can go to load it. Now, the load center, the reload center, will charge you anywhere from $2 to $3.95 to load the card. So you got to bring $44 cash with you. You got to bring your card that you just activated. You have to activate it first, and you take the $44 plus the cash to the reload center with you, and then um, you go ahead and you load the card with $40. Once you get the $40 on there, they're going to give you um, $20. So now you have $60 on your net spend card. The $40 that you added plus the $20 that um, that you that they gave you. Sorry. And now with that, you now can get when you're logged in, you'll have your own referral link for your NetSpend card, and you can refer others. Every person that referred a NetSpend, um, they get their card from you. They go ahead and get their card. They get it in the mail. They activate it. They take $44 cash like you did and their new activated card, and they load $40. They're going to get 20. You're going to get 20 every time. So you just earned $154 free money. Now you had to pay the $3.95 for the activation, but you're still making $16 free money. Okay, and anybody that you refer, it's 100% free to you. So now you have three separate links or three affiliate pages. You've got your Chime, you get your NetSpend, and you got your this will show differently. You have your NetSpend card, and $154 coming to you. Now, the next video, we're going to show you how to get $5 more. It's not a lot of money, but it adds up, and it gives you a total of $159 between these five affiliate programs. So in the next video, we'll go ahead and get that taken care of.